In today's video, I'm going to show you an official giveaway where you can grab a 1-year Malware Hunter Pro license without paying for it. But before we look at how you can get the 1-year license key, let's take a quick look at some of its features. First, you have the malware scan, which can quickly and thoroughly scan your PC to detect and remove stubborn malware. Then there's the speed up feature, which helps optimize your system and improve your PC's performance. You also get a disk cleaner that removes temporary and unnecessary files to help free up storage space. So Malware Hunter Pro is not just a malware scanner, it also includes useful tools to help keep your PC clean and running smoothly. Open the giveaway web page in your browser. Enter your email address and click on the Get My Key button. You'll then receive your license key. Simply copy the key and keep it somewhere safe. Next, download the Malware Hunter Pro software. Once the download is complete, install the program on your PC. After the installation is complete, open Malware Hunter Pro. Now, click on the user icon. Here, enter the same email address you used to get the license key and log into your account. Once you've signed in, go back to Malware Hunter Pro. And as you can see, my Pro subscription is now active and the license is valid for the next year. That's it. You can now start using Malware Hunter Pro with your 1-year Pro license. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more free software and giveaways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.